chocolate covered bananas. First, you should pull out the brown bag that was included in your supplies baggie from last Friday. So make sure you have that ready to go. In the baggie, you're gonna find one banana, a bag with the chocolate chips that you're gonna need to melt in order to create the chocolate that we're gonna need today. And you're also gonna have a bag that has crushed almonds or peanuts, and some of you got sprinkles in there. So make sure you have that out. You're also gonna need a clean plate and the popsicle stick that was included in there. Make sure you cut that or break that into two parts because we're gonna have two parts to the banana. Next, you might need a cutting board and a knife, but you might not need that if you just peel the banana. And yeah, we're gonna get started. So first, what you're gonna do is get your banana and cut it in half. Once
That
you've
sounds
done
like
that,
a healthy banana.
make sure you peel the banana. And I know I skipped this step, so maybe let's go back. At this point, your chocolate should be melted. So first, maybe that's the first step. Make sure you melt the chocolate in the microwave. So you can put in a small plate like this one. You can also use a cup, whichever you have at hand. And you're gonna do 20 to 1 minute in the microwave, and that should melt the chocolate. What you should do is check the, put a minute and then check it every 10 seconds. But what you don't wanna do is burn the chocolate. You will know it burned when it sticks on the sides, like mine did before. So once you've melted the chocolate, we will cut the banana in half. And what you're gonna do is peel the banana, just like this. I typically, take out the bottom part. I don't like that part. And as I'm doing this, I'm thinking about other delicious snacks that you can make with bananas. During the summertime, one of my favorite things to do with bananas is banana ice cream. I don't know if you've ever had that, but it is a healthy version to regular ice cream. All you need is to freeze your bananas overnight, place them, take them out the next day, place it in the blender with some milk. If you have vanilla extract, you put a little bit of that, and then you have healthy ice cream. So if you're looking to try that recipe, and if you do try it, let us know. So once you dip the banana in the plate, it will be covered in chocolate, and it might be a little hard to get it out, but you place it in the plate just like that, and you repeat the same step with the second part with the banana. So yeah, that's all you do, and it's an easy snack. Liz, do you have any favorite snacks with bananas?
I have always wanted to try banana peanut butter sandwiches. So basically, you cut the banana, you put peanut butter in between two little pieces of banana, and then you dip it in chocolate and let it freeze, and then you have this healthy Reese's banana candy, it looks very delicious.
Yeah, so at this point, you should be placing the second, and it's okay if it's a little messy. We're just trying recipes here, we're not trying to be Chef Ramsay. If all your banana is not covered, you can take your stick or a spoon and just kind of rub it with the chocolate to make sure it gets where you want it to go. All right, so the next and last step that we're going to do with the bananas is get our sprinkles. Whether you have sprinkles or almonds, we're just gonna cover them with sprinkles. And I'm gonna use this pink sprinkles that I like, and just kind of throw it in there,
It's a good
It
color.
doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm gonna use these blue sprinkles right here for the second half. And you should place your bananas in the fridge for about 20 minutes at this point, and then you can enjoy your snack when you're watching TV, maybe before you go out to play with your friends, or when you're playing Fortnite, whatever you do. Your banana at the end should look a little bit like this. This one is already kind of dry, so it should look like that, and it's a nice, fun snack to make for you and your siblings if you have any. If you have any questions, or if you enjoyed this recipe, leave some comments in the bottom, and we will see you next week at 2 p.m. on Wednesday for our next live session, Cocinando with Elevate.